So over here, you can see that I am in the channel customization section for my TutorTube YouTube channel right here. So if I were to go around onto the basic info, then you can see the name of my YouTube channel right here. And on the bottom, you can see that @TutorTube is my handle, which I have already claimed. So if you haven't claimed your handle already, then after your channel builds up some history, what you can do is you can go around onto the basic info section right here and type in and add in a handle name. So what this allows you to do is that when others are commenting, then they'll be able to type @TutorTube just like this to actually go around and mention me right here. That is, mention this particular channel when they're actually communicating, which is very, very helpful if you want to be specific to certain channels. And this really allows the audience community to communicate what they want about your channel. Besides that, you can see that there's this channel URL right here, which I have, and this is a normal URL. But as your channel grows history and it has more than 100 subscribers, and this is true at the time of the recording right here, what happens is that they'll be able to add in custom URL over here. In my case, if you were to go around and type in www.youtube.com/tutortube, then this channel pops up. So what happens is that as you meet 100 subscribers and then as you meet those requirements, what happens is that you will be able to claim that that custom URL so that it's easy for like, let's say, sharing your YouTube channel with others. You can simply say go to youtube.com/channel name right there. And that is what you can do as you build up channel history and you have more you have more eligibility features turning on time and again inside of YouTube Studio. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.